Our previous video explained how the law in England and Wales requires new or replacement solid fuel installations in your home to have a carbon monoxide alarm fitted. But where can an alarm be fitted to comply with building regulations? Your installer can help you select a compliant alarm model suitable for mounting either on the ceiling or on a wall. Carbon monoxide alarms must be in a permanent fixed position and located in the same room as the appliance. Ceiling mounted alarms should be placed at least 300 mm away from any wall and between 1 to 3 metres horizontally from the appliance, anywhere in the blue area. Wall-mounted alarms should be between 1 to 3 metres horizontally from the appliance and at least 150 mm away from the ceiling. If there is a need to install it on a wall with doors or windows, then the alarm must be located as high above these as possible, but still at least 150 mm from the ceiling. If the alarm needs to be installed in a room with a sloping ceiling, located towards the highest side of the room. The areas nearer the edge of the ceiling and the top of the walls are dead air space. Do not place your alarm here, as the lack of airflow may mean it will not be in time to warn you of a carbon monoxide escape. Never place a CO alarm in an enclosed space or where it can be obstructed. Above a sink or in a humid area. Next to a door, window, extractor fan or air vent. Near a cooking appliance. Or where temperatures drop below -10 degrees Celsius or above 40 degrees Celsius, unless your model is designed to do so. To recognise the signs and symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning and what to do if you suspect a carbon monoxide escape, please see our third carbon monoxide safety advice video.